Good morning all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edrao Inchakandji Department of Information Technology. On today's we start 31st lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission of department. Department vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Department mission, their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for the preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for their 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Course outcomes. After the completion of unit number 3, which CO we achieve, implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Their syllabus of unit number 3, main 2 points are there: introduction to stack and introduction to queue. Introduction to stack means in that 2 main points are there, stacks and queue. Stack is in a previous lecture, up to in previous lecture stack syllabus are over. Now on today's lecture we start the new point, that is introduction to queue. Their introduction to queue. Queue means in the word is indicate that what is the definition of that queue. Okay, queue is a non-primitive linear data structure. Queue is the kind of abstract data type. What is meant by abstract data type? Abstract data types means what their own data types are declared, means you create your own functions and use this on that operations that are said to be the abstract data type. Okay, means what? Which are the general data types? Integer, float, character, this like. Okay, but abstract data types means their own functions are created for our purpose, which operations are done on that are said to be the abstract data type. Queue is an ordered homogeneous collection. What is meant by homogeneous? Means same types of, same type of data or elements. Okay, so queue is an ordered, in that orders are defined, in a particular order through queue is used. Homogeneous collection of elements in which elements are added at the end is called as rear end, and elements are deleted at other end called as front end. Okay, means what? In the queue 2 end points are there, which 2 points? Rear and front. What is meant by rear? In which end to or in which position through your data or elements are added, that points or that positions are said to be rear. And in which position through or in which through in a queue, how will be data will be deleted, that position, that end is said as a front. Okay, in figure shows that queue containing there are 3 elements are there: x, y and z. X is the front of the queue and z at the rear in that cell. Okay, for example, x, y, z are 3 elements are there. X is the front and z is the rear. Okay, for example, it is a queue. In that example also shows that it's a, for example, queue. Okay, a queue means simple line. Okay, example, as an example of queue, consider a line of customers waiting to the withdrawal of their money at bank. Okay, queue anywhere to use. Okay, so in that examples through that said that it is the queue means line, of people in a bank. It is the first position are said as the front, last is the rear. Front, the definition is that what is the said as the front where deleted at a other means deleted in which through deleted using front. Okay, in a queue first elements are first is deleted means their operations, which are operations are performed that are entered, and in a queue where through data where two elements are added in the rear position. So in the said as the X is the front side and Z is the rear. Clear that? In the said as the rear means what? Added at element. Okay, in a queue. Okay, in a queue in which position or in which end to data are added through last two. Okay, last two means that is the said as a rear in a queue. Simple, you are in a queue. For example, you in a college. Okay, in a college, for example, in the office you filling the exam form or in a filling your any documents or any submission that time. Okay, your queue are okay in you are present in a queue. Okay, how in a queue how two elements are added? Okay, for example, your 10 students are there, 11 students are added in a after the 10 students, so that's obviously added in a last. Okay, so in a last in position are said to be rear. And what is and which students are come first means operations is done or any exam forms or filling or any submissions are there, first who are added that are first will be deleted means in a queue which who students are in a first first position that will be deleted. Okay, so this pointer is said as the front. Clear that? In a queue elements or students are added in a last, that is said at the rear, and are out in the in which position, that is said as the front. Clear that? This queue is in a general concept, so all are already know. Queue are also very useful in a time sharing computer system where many users share the system simultaneously. Okay, clear? It is in a operating system. Okay, means what? Simultaneously. For example, in a lab you use the simultaneously number of pieces in at a time. That time queue is used because in that assigning or arranging the queue, which system first we support, after that which system is executed, after that which system is executed. Okay, this queue is defined. Okay, that using through which time sharing through. Okay, means in that system also, in that computer system also queue is used. There are different types of queues, namely linear queue, circular queue, double-ended queue, that is DQ, and priority queue are listed below. Only for definitions are there. After that we studied in a brief. Linear queue. A queue is a linear data structure in which data can only be inserted at the one end, called as rear. Okay, clear that? In your mind you said that in which through that elements or data added that are said to be rear, and deleted from the other end or other pointer or other side through that is said to be front. Clear? In a queue which positions or how to deleted exit in a front through and in a rear through added on that queue, and on that in that through queue how will be data will be deleted through front. Clear? So it is okay. Their restrictions ensure that the data are processed through the queue in the order in which they are received. Okay, so in that the order will be defined, that order through their operations, that operations means added and deletion is performed. In simple words, queue is the first in first out, that is FIFO structure. Clear that? In linear queue, elements are arranged in a sequential mode such that front position is always be less than or equal to the rear position. Okay, means what in that said as the what is meant by queue? Key is the first in first out, means which element first will be added that will be out in a first. In a stack is opposite is that last in first out, means which are the element is the last will be added, that will be deleted first. Okay, but in that queue is opposite that concept, means that in that queue which elements are firstly added, that will be removed on that queue. Okay, in a queue which, for example, in you come in a submission, okay, so that in a which students are came first, that will be the submission is done. Okay, in a exam form filling or in your tuition fee filling, that's like in a examples, so on. Clear that? One of the best day-to-day life examples of that queue is in a line at library counter. Okay, where the first student in a line is usually the first to be checked out, as shown in a below figure. Okay, other examples in a queue are the bus stand line, bus ticket line, railway reservation counter line, etc. Many examples are there. Okay, where to queue are used. In that example, it has the front, where the rear in through is elements are added, and those front through elements are deleted. Second, circular queue. In a circular queue, all nodes are treated as a circular. This last node is connected back to the first node. Circular queue is also called as ring buffer. Okay, circular queue contains a collection of data which allows insertion of data at the end of the queue and deletion of the data at the beginning of the queue. Okay, simple, but in that only for difference is that which are the last elements are added that are connected to the first. Okay, here DQ, that is double-ended queue. In what is indicated there? Double-ended queue. In double-ended queue, insert and delete operation can be occur at the both ends, that is front and rear of the queue. Okay. Means DQ means it is the front, it is the rear. In a front through also insert and also delete. In a rear through also insert and also delete it. Priority queue. Priority queue contains all data items which have some preset priority. While removing an element from a priority queue, the data item with the highest priority is removed first. Okay, clear that? Obviously, priority queue means which are the highest priority, that will be removed first. Okay, in that said as that. In that set the preset the priorities. Okay, and which elements will be removed, which are the highest priority, that will be removed first. In a priority queue, insertion is performed in the order of arrival and deletion is performed based on the priority. Clear that? Okay, in that also in a priority queue, data will be added and data will be deleted. How will be possible? The insertion is performed, means added elements are performed using the order of arrival. Okay, when we that arrive it, that will be added. Okay, when it come is then automatically added. But how will be deleted? Okay, in a previous types, in a through front through, that means deleted. Which are the first come, that are first will be deleted. But in that priority queue, how will be deleted? Perform on that priority. Which is the highest priority, that will be deleted first. Okay, for example, priority queue, in that assumptions, for example, assumption is that 20 and 30 is highest priority. After that 41, 51, 61 is the next priority. After that last is the 80 is the last priority. Means obviously first of all remove 20, after that 30, after that 41, 51, 61, 80 like. Okay, they give the priority. Okay, which are the advantages and disadvantages of queue? Queues are flexible, requiring no communications programming. Okay, means in that only means only in that queue no any communication between there. Which are the first elements are added, that are obviously first element, that will be deleted. Adding or removing elements can be done quickly. Okay, in short, in that no any conditions are used, or no any conditions are, or any no concepts are used for which are the element first added, which are the first is element are deleted, that's like, okay. So in that said as the adding and removing elements can be done quickly, because it is a fix that in the front side through data will be deleted, in the rear side through the data will be added, okay. Q is used in many applications such as printing documents. Clear that? Means in that sense as the Q is in many applications are there. Many more uses are there using that. In that concept is Q is used, such as for example printing the documents. You want to printing the any documents, that type. For example, 10 elements, 10 pages are there in a one documents. 10 pages are there. First, which page will be deleted? First page will be deleted. Which pages will be printed? First page is printed. After that second, after that third, fourth. Because 1, 2, 3 pages are the priority on that. Okay, or queue. Not a priority on that as the on that queues are the pages are there. Okay, first page. Okay, after the second page, after the third page, these are the in a queue. So that's like that pages will be printed. Such as same many more applications are there. In a previous PPTs are explain it. For example, in a ticket reservation, in a bank, sorry, in a bus railway reservation. Okay, in a bank to withdraw the money, in a ATM withdraw the money. Okay, that's like in a college life to in a library or in a office, in a submission purpose, that's like many applications are there. After that, Q provides first in first out access. Which are the disadvantages? A queue is not a readily searchable. Okay, means what? That not the possible to any searching. That's like, okay, only for added and deleted. Second, adding or removing elements from the middle of the queue is very complex. Okay, let's say as the adding and removing elements from the middle of that any queue. On that queue is elements or data. Removing and adding is very complex. Means in that what is the concept of queue? Okay, in through front through elements are deleted, in the rear through elements are added, but in the middle of that elements on that queue their elements will be added and removed for very complex. Means what? For example, 10 elements or 10 data are present on that queue. Okay, so middle element, for example 5 or 6. Okay, in that how will be that data will be deleted or added? Okay, means when we added that time, after the 4 will be added, after that which are the 5 element will be added. But when we are remove it, first of all remove the 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 5 numbers data will be deleted. Okay, if you want to that 5 numbers of element or data will be deleted, removing. But first of all, not directly that 5th number elements are deleted. First of all deleted, you must be first of all deleted first, second, third, fourth. After that 5th element will be deleted. So in that said as the is very complex. And slow access to the other items. In that said as the depends upon that second disadvantages. Okay, means it is a slow access to other items. Only for one, for example, if you want to 7th element of deleted, but you not directly or quickly deleted that number. First of all, you first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. After that, you deleted that 7th data or 7th element. So in that said as the slow access to the other items. Okay. Next point, Q as an ADT. ADT means abstract data types. Their own collections of functions or collection of data are said to be as a own functions are there that are used on that their purpose of that any operations that are said to be ADT. A queue is a particular kind of abstract data type or collection in which the entities in the collection are kept in a order. Okay, in order to that kept or collection of that entities means data or elements, and they only operations on that collections are the okay, which are the operations are done on that collections of data. Okay, in that said as the queue is the homogeneous data, these collections of data, which are the operations, addition of that entities to the rear terminal position known as the in queue, and removal of the entities from the front terminal position known as the DQ. This makes a queue a first in first out data structure. Okay, in a first in first out data structure, the first element added to the queue will be the first one to be removed. This is equivalent to the requirement that once a new element is added, all elements that were added before have to be removed before the new elements can be removed. Okay, means in that, in short, said as that queue is an additive, means their first in first out principle or concept are used. Okay, in the rear terminal position through additions of that entities that said to be in queue, and in the front terminal positions that remove the entities or that elements that are said to be DQ. Means in queue, DQ, these are the entities, means that the functions are used in a queue, that is, so it is said as the queue is an additive. Okay, means their own functions are used on that operations. Which operations? Addition and remove, delete. Okay, so it is said as the queue is an additive. The queue operations are given below. Which operations are done in a queue? In queue means adds a new atom to the rear of the queue. DQ means remove the front item from the queue, means in the front side through remove that, in a rear side through added that. Queue means it is, there is the functions are there. Okay, queue functions create a new queue that is empty. Is empty means test to check whether the queue is empty. Size means what? Size function is returns, or which operations are done? Returns the number of items in the queue. Front returns front element from the queue, and using through rear returns the rear element from the queue. Okay, these are basic, means their words is indicate that. Size means return the number of items are there, which how many numbers are, or how many numbers of items or elements are there in a queue, that will be displayed. Front and rear means in front position which elements are present on that queue, that will be displayed. In a rear means in rear positions which elements are present, that will be displayed. Is empty means in that check is empty or means queue is empty or not. Queue means how queue function through create the queue. In queue and DQ means obviously add the new element and remove the element from the front side in that rear side. Okay, clear? These are the queue operations. Okay, these operations are done in the queue that are said to be, these are the abstract data type, means their own functions are used on that concept in a queue data structure. Okay, queue, it is one type of data structure. So in that said as the queue is an additive. Why it is said as the queue is a additive? Because their own functions are there that are used to their perform their operations. Okay, which operations? These operations are there that are used in a queue. So it is in that said as the queue is an additive. Okay, simple. In int means integer numbers operation perform. Char means character. Float means their floating points numbers are there, their operations are performed. But in any new elements are added or queue is empty or not, this check it, or any size means these operations are done, that time their own functions are there that are used. Okay, so in that said as the queue is an additive. see implementation for a queue. We use an array to hold the elements of that queue, okay, and use the variables front and the rear to hold the position within the array of the first and last element of the queue. Can be defined as, okay, for example, structure is used, okay, in that queue is the homogeneous, okay, same type of data will be, or same type of data type are defined. Struct queue, they are the variables which, sorry, these are the data members of that structure. Items means array. In a front and rear, front is the position for front which elements are added, and in a rear is the end which elements are added, and in a front to remove, sorry, in front through remove it, and in rear through added elements or data on that array, and queue is the variable of that structure. These are the data type and their data members of that structure: item, front and rear. Queue is the variable, okay. Struct is the keyword that is used to define the structure. Queue is the structure name, okay. Clear their points? Next, summary on that today's lecture. On that today's lecture, we new points are started, that is the queue concept. In a previous lectures we completed the stack concept. It is the opposite to the stack to the queue. Means what? In the stack, which principle or which concept are used? Last in, first out. But in that queue, which are the first elements are added, that will be removed first, means first in, first out. Clear that? Not any confusion on that two concepts, in a queue and in a stack, okay. In which points are discussed or learned? Concept of queue and queue as an array. Homework, continue the assignment number 3, 28th question. 3 questions are there that are completed it. Define queue and list the types of that queues, okay. Only I think there's 2, okay. In that define, I think there's asking for 2 marks. Define queue 1 marks and list the types of 1 marks. Only for list the types, not explain. Draw the diagram of queue to represent the front and rear positions of queue. In that, diagrammatically show that in which are the rear position, which are the front position. In a definition that are diagrams are added. Explain the queue as an entity. After that, advantages and disadvantages of queue. That list the advantages of disadvantages. List the advantages and disadvantages of queue. Okay. These are questions for homework for you daily. Up to that, complete it. Otherwise, end of that subject means when you reach the college, that time difficulty for you when we that completed it. So daily homework are completed it. Here stop on today's lecture. In these points, any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.